Hey, what's happening, YouTube? This your boy Incredible. Just came in today, fresh out the box. As you can see, the emblems for my 87 Caprice. And as you can tell, they don't say Chevrolet Caprice. What it say right there? Incredible Caprice. Yeah. Done by my guys over there at Manor Marine, Ramzana Jewelers. You dig? Custom made Caprice emblems with my name to go on the car. You dig? It's going down, like I said. These here made in sterling silver, dipped in 18 karat white gold, so they don't tarnish or nothing from the weather, you know. So we gonna do it big, like I said. It goes down. Money ain't no thing when it comes to the Caprice. You know, she gotta look good at all times. Like I said, Ramzana Jewelers, Manama Bahrain. You can see the number. Hit them up. I post it on the site. They will be on there soon after I paint them and everything. So be on the lookout. This your boy Incredible. I'ma holler at y'all. Florida Toys coming soon. Jazzy Creations. On the lookout. Be on the lookout for them. We doing it big this year. Holla.